The experience at UT was marvelous. The faculty here was always there to clear even my smallest of smallest doubts. The test series boosted my confidence and gave me immense practice. The atmosphere created during the lectures was very conducive.
We all keep taking decisions in life. Some of the decisions are right, some of the decisions are wrong. I'm very happy that I took a right decision by putting Sargam here in UT.
The methodology of teaching in this institute was such that it provided me a sound foundation on which I shall build my career to the cherished heights. I thank all my teachers, Anubhav sir, Algesh sir, Biju sir, Roshanlal sir, who made learning such a wonderful experience for me. My message for all my friends would be that success is not more than a few disciplines practiced daily, and failure is not more than a few mistakes repeated daily. Thank you.
And I actually found the vacation batch to be the success of my board examinations. The vacation batch almost covers the whole portion, entire portion, like 75% of it, and then the students get to revise a lot. Then the test series are extremely helpful because they actually help in and they mold the students for the final examination. So I would really recommend all my juniors to join UT.
हाँ, एक और बच्चे के लिए उसका परिश्रम, लगन और उसका दृढ़ निश्चय उसकी सफलता की कुंजी है। वहीं एक और यूटी ने मेरी बेटी के लिए एक कंप्लीट गाइडलाइन पैकेज का काम किया, जिसमें एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टी और एक बेस्ट काउंसलर एंड और बेस्ट टेस्ट सीरीज उसमें रही.
Initially, I was not at all sincere, but after those counseling sessions, I got support from my teachers.
This achievement was possible because of my parents, UT and school, which guided me throughout the year and solved my doubts whenever I had them, and also my friends, because of whom I was chilled out throughout the year.
Actually, everyone's heard about the teaching standards of UT. The teaching is really good. They help you a lot in every way. They not only clear your doubts. There are test series and there are even counseling sessions. I think it's got everything that you need to secure 10 CGPA like I did. And if anyone's feeling reluctant to go for any tuitions, then please join Universal Tutorials. It's a very good way to get good marks very easily.